Hello kids! Do you know India is the land of festivals? We celebrate many national festivals and religious festivals. Let's learn about them together. National festivals. Republic Day. On 26th of January, we celebrate Republic Day. There is a big parade in Delhi. Soldiers, dancers, and school children perform. We remember our constitution. Independence Day. On 15th of August, we celebrate freedom with flag hosting and patriotic songs. Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October. Birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who taught us peace and non-violence. Religious festivals. Diwali, festival of lights. People light lamps, decorate homes, and eat sweets. Holi, festival of colors. Everyone plays with colors and enjoys sweet. Eid, people pray, wear new clothes, share charity, and eat sivaiyan. Christmas, birthday of Jesus Christ. We decorate Christmas trees and wait for Santa. Durga Puja, worship of goddess Durga with Garba dance in Gujarat and Grand Puja in Bengal. Dussehra, effigies of Ravan are burnt, showing that good always wins over evil. Janmashtami, birthday of Lord Krishna. People sing, dance, and enjoy dahi handi. Ganesh Chaturthi, people bring home Ganesha idols, do prayers, and later do Visarjan. Raksha Bandhan, sisters tie Rakhi on brothers' hands and brothers give gifts. Onam, Kerala's big festival with flower carpets, boat races, and a big feast. Gurpurab, birthday of Guru Nanak Ji, the first Sikh Guru. People pray in Gurdwaras, sing hymns, and share langar. Baisakhi, harvest festival of Punjab. Farmers celebrate their crops with music and bhangra dance. Wow! India has so many colorful festivals. Each one teaches us love, unity, and happiness. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.